time, old friend. We'll get you back.
Every panel tells you a story if you look close enough. Paint that once shone like glass, now blistered and broken. Rust creeping out from underneath, patient, relentless. You strip it back inch by inch and the metal breathes again. It's slow work, but there's beauty in it. Take away the rot, say...
When steel rots, you cut it out. Give it something strong to hold on to again. Every bead, every spark, that's the new story you're writing in the metal. Listen close. You can hear it settle, cooling, locking in. That patch...
Everything's coming apart cleanly now. With the doors and hood off, we can really get into the bones of the car. Next up, prep and repair before paint.
Every piece has its own story. It's been spinning for 30 years. Now it gets to start over.
This old sedan's had a lot of miles and a lot of stories. But the lines, those stay timeless. Lay the paint right, and it's like the car remembers what it was made to be. The metal soaks up the color, and the light just rolls off it. You
There she is, alive again.
28 years of road salt did this. When we rolled her in, she was tired, pitted, and almost hollow. Every panel needed love. It took weeks of metalwork, primer, and patience. But watch. Same lines, same soul, just reborn in midnight blue. We kept the body honest.
You bring something back from almost nothing. It teaches you patience. Every bolt, every turn, every coat of paint. It reminds you why you fell in love with cars in the first place. It's not just metal, it's a memory you can drive. And when the sun hits it just right,